This is a Talk of the Town Extra.
I'm Tawanda Coleman. Nearly 3,000 lawsuits have been filed related to a particular type of hip implant that was eventually recalled. Attorney Jim Higgins is here to tell us more. So Jim, tell us about this implant and why was it recalled?
This was a Stryker Rejuvenate hip implant, and it's been recalled because there was, I guess you would say, some fretting where the neck of the implant is. And what that would happen is there would be metal flakes or filings that would kind of come off in somebody, and it can cause a metal toxicity, which is can be a pretty dangerous thing. So because of the recall, people are needing to go back and get checked. They'll go see their physician if they've got one of these recall letters, or if they're having problems, and their doctor will check for metal in their blood.
So what would these folks typically be experiencing to know that maybe this hip is not right?
Yeah, it's hard because, I mean, a hip transplant or a hip implant, they're tough anyway, so you always have pain involved. But most of the symptoms that we're seeing that our folks have had are popping or clicking, pain, swelling, and you may not even be having a problem with it, but if you're having those type of symptoms, you ought to go back to your doctor just to get checked out anyway and make sure everything's okay.
So what are some of the damages that are being claimed in the lawsuit?
Yeah, well, when we have had our folks that have had this recall and have had to have the hip removed, that's a pretty tough thing. They're already having to go through a surgery they've already went through once. So, we're seeking medical bills, the time out of work for them to deal with that, pain and suffering, which is just significant. I mean, everybody dreads this surgery when they have to have it, and then to do it again is pretty tough.
Good information. Thank you, Jim.
Thank you.
For more information about the Higgins Firm, visit their website or call the number that you see on the screen.